I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the latest Tor browser and applying updates. This protects anonymity and fixes media codec issues. Once done, launch Tor and set a moderate security level so videos can play. Make sure to open YouTube in a fresh Tor window instead of your regular browser. This keeps cookies and identity separate. If your network blocks Tor, enable a bridge. You are taking action now. Update, launch, and isolate YouTube in Tor to balance privacy with functionality. Next, you configure Tor for smooth playback while preserving anonymity. Adjust the security slider to allow required HTML5 features. Lower settings reduce breakage but keep protection. Use no script to permit only YouTube. Calm scripts, reducing cross-site trackers. Once done, set YouTube's player to a modest quality like 360p or 720p to lower bandwidth and avoid stalls. Also, use a private window or clear cookies between sessions so recommendations and watch history aren't tied to a... To finish, you wrap up sessions securely. Close Tor browser and clear site data if you signed in, which prevents long-term association. Make sure you avoid persistent Google sign-in to maintain the privacy benefits Tor provides. If videos stutter or refuse to play, change your Tor circuit or open a new Tor window. This often fixes slow or throttled relays. As a final troubleshooting tip, if playback still fails, temporarily lower the security slider and permit media features. Then restore your prior settings once playback completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.